In this video, I will show you how to create custom page border in Microsoft Word. So firstly, open any browser and search here page borders. And there is so many websites. Open any website like this one, printable page borders. So here is so many borders. Select it and download as a PDF, but it's not free. You have to buy it. You have to pay the. So we will check the free borders. Here is the not available free borders. So we will check another one. Same, it's not free. So we will write here free. So in the Canva you will see some borders option of free pick or vector page border. Open any website and try which is giving you free borders, like this one. Select it and download. So it's AI format. You have to download as a PNG. So we have to not select the vector forward. So we try with Canva. Like this one or this one. If you don't have the account with Canva, so create free account. Like this one. Select it and download. Here not select PDF, select the PNG or JPG. So we will try the PNG and download it. Now open your MS Word document, insert and design and watermark, custom watermark, and here select the picture. Now select your page border. So from a file, now select that downloaded, this one, select it, apply and click on OK. Unselect this wash out, apply and click on OK. But it's not clear, so we'll make some changes. Remove and custom watermark, select picture, scale 100% and wash out, and now try. Yes, so we have this page border in Microsoft Word easily. Now copy and paste and click anywhere. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.